Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of robots, exploring how these cutting-edge machines are shaping our future. From household helpers to industrial giants, join me on this journey into the realm of automation. Let's kick things off by breaking down the different types of robots out there. From humanoid robots mimicking human movements to specialized machines designed for specific tasks, we'll explore the diverse landscape of robotic innovation. Ever dreamt of a robot handling your daily chores? We'll take a closer look at the latest household robots, from vacuum cleaners that navigate your living room autonomously to kitchen assistants that make cooking a breeze. Venture into the heart of industries where robots are revolutionizing efficiency. Witness how robotic arms, drones, and autonomous vehicles are streamlining manufacturing processes, increasing productivity, and even enhancing workplace safety. Artificial intelligence is the driving force behind many modern robots. Explore how AI algorithms empower robots to learn, adapt, and perform complex tasks. Hear from experts in the field as they share their perspectives on the current state of robotics and where they see the industry heading. Gain valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities presented by the integration of robots into our daily lives. As we embrace the future of robotics, it's essential to discuss the ethical implications. Dive into conversations surrounding privacy, job displacement, and the responsible development of artificial intelligence to ensure harmonious coexistence. Wrapping up our exploration of the incredible world of robots. If you're as fascinated by the future of automation as I am, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-centric content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of technology.